Praveen sir, would you like to share your screen? Praveen sir,
Are you able to
are
hear
you
me?
able to hear me?
Just a minute.
Just a minute, I will call him.
So Praveen
So
sir has
Praveen sir
started
has
sharing his
started
screen.
sharing his screen.
So there is
So
dual
there is
noise
dual
from your
noise from
end.
your side.
Praveen sir, are you able
Praveen
to
sir,
hear
are you
me?
able to hear me?
I think he
I
had
think
some
he
issue.
had some issue.
Praveen sir is not
Praveen sir
able
is
to
not
speak.
able to speak.
There is some issue, so he will check his microphone. Till then, someone else next who is willing to share the chart. Amish sir, would you
Amish
like
sir,
to share
would
your
you like to share your
screen? Amish, would you
Amish
like
sir,
to share
would you
your
like to
screen?
share your screen?
Darshana, are you there? Darshana is not here. Nandan sir is not here. Shilpa ma'am, would you like to share your screen?
Yes, I don't mind.
Okay, ma'am. So I'll make you co-host and you can share. Yes, please share your chart.
How to share it, sir?
Ma'am, at bottom you can see there is share screen besides
No,
chat.
no,
If
it's
you
not there.
if you bring your cursor down, At the bottom panel, there is audio, video, participant share screen. Are you using mobile or laptop?
No, laptop only, sir, but I could not open it with Chrome. I opened it with Safari only.
Okay. But even with Safari, it will be visible at bottom.
Ma'am, can you escape button? Can you press the escape button?
Yes, sir.
Now see the. Now it's showing the sharing screen. Escape
No,
button.
sir, not.
Just a minute.
Hello.
Then go for full screen once again. There's a sign of full screen.
Hello.
Hello, हाँ कैलाश sir.
सर HDFC 2016 फेब्रुवारी ऑक्टोबर तुमच्या याच्यावर बघा ना सर.
Okay, sir. I'll see just a minute.
Huh.
Shilpa ma'am, are you able to see it?
No, sir.
No. Do you have any desk on your desktop?
Mm,
Any desk or can you make a video call? I'll see on your screen.
At the bottom, participants, chat, reactions, settings. Press more.
nothing is happening.
Just a minute, ma'am. I will check. Now refresh button.
No, nothing is there.
Refresh your screen from top.
Your chat is visible, ma'am.
Yeah.
You can keep that. Yes. Zoom it. Make it full screen. Now at bottom, there will be zoom button in center.
Which
Below
one, sir?
this panel, if you bring your cursor inside, yeah, so you see plus minus. Yes. Now where do you want to take from here? It can be done from this bottom. We can do markings. Yes. The brush. Yes. Or else from bottom of panel you can select path. Yeah. Select magnet. Yes. Bottom. Okay, so this will be your swing high. Will you mark this as a swing low or previous candle as swing low?
No.
And there is swing low just after the swing high which we have marked.
This one, sir?
Yeah, bottom of that candle will be swing low because it has crossed low of high candle. Yes. Now please mark on that small candle, top of that small candle. Yes, mark here and double click there. Now next candle, what is it? Is it inside candle, outside candle, or normal candle?
It's a normal candle.
Remove your cursor, press escape. Now come on left side and select this trend line tool. Yes, click on that trend line. Yes, click at top of this candle. Yes, then take your cursor on right side, right side. Yeah, press shift button, shift, keep pressing shift, hold it. Yes, and now press another click. Yes, so this is the way to mark horizontal line which is short. Now press escape button and see, this is 303.3 level. Now we can check next candle's high. Immediately next candle. No, not that one. From the swing high candle which you have marked. Yeah, so bring your cursor to next candle. What is high for that candle? 303.75. We can see at top. So previous candle's high was 303.3 and this is 303.75. So this candle has crossed high of previous candle. Now what will be low for previous candle? One candle before that.
283.8.
The middle one, next after this. Yes. No, before that. Yes. Not this one, ma'am. The one which you have marked as high. So what will be?
Yeah, that is.
For that, where will you mark your low? That candle, is it gap up or normal candle?
It's a normal candle, sir. No gap up.
Ma'am, there is a gap up because previous candles close. We have to check previous candles close. Yes. So previous candle close is 294.45. And next candle's low, that is 296. So there is gap up.
Okay.
Because there is gap up, we have to consider previous candles close. So take trend line tool. Mark, yeah, bottom is close of previous candle. Yes, from there, mark a horizontal short line. We don't need so long line, just up to the next candle which pierces it. Yeah, up to this. Press shift, yes. So this is crossing low of previous day candle. Now the candle which you have marked as high, that candle has closed at top.
Yes.
So possibility of price moving higher next day early in the morning is more. So what happened next day? Next day price went up. So we can shift our high to next candle. So that will be our high. Then price went to bottom. It went to bottom. It made new low. So that will be our swing low. Then again up.
Swing high.
Press double click here at top. Okay. At bottom, what we can see? It went to previous high. It went to previous swing high and then reacted. On left side, you can see there is previous swing high. On left side.
This one, sir?
No, ma'am, you have marked first swing high. At bottom. So on left of this, there is one swing high which you have marked.
Yeah.
Yes. So that candle came to previous swing high, reacted and went up. So that is the reason we are marking all swing highs, swing lows. This is seen many times that candles come to previous swing high or previous swing low and then react. Okay. So you have marked swing high now. What will be next swing low?
The next candle only.
Yeah, you have to keep swing high, then take path. Yes. What will be next? Okay. You keep marking. I will interrupt you if there is anything which I want to tell. And you have to say something while marking these lines so that you'll understand what is your thought process. So this candle is crossing low of previous day's low or swing high is low. That's why you are marking there. So that way it will be easier to understand. So now here, what I will do is before going to high, see you have marked swing low, go to next candle's high. Next candle's high. No. After the swing low, just next candle. Yes. Double click there. Yeah. So press escape button. Where is our candle close on this day? Is it at top or bottom? You can zoom your chart a little bit more. Yes. Now we can see. Where is the close of this candle?
This only 322.
No, ma'am. Close is this horizontal line. This short horizontal line, that is close.
Oh, 315. Yeah.
So is it at top or is it at bottom?
It's at bottom, sir.
Yeah, it is at bottom. So next day, is it inside candle, outside candle, or normal candle? So outside candle is a candle where high of this candle is more than previous candle's high, and low of this candle is more than previous candle's low.
Hmm.
And inside candle is a candle which lies within previous day's range. So 11th April candle is inside candle because high is less and low is higher. It is completely inside this previous candle.
Yeah.
Whereas 10th April candle, 8 April, uh, yeah, 8 April candle, that candle has low which is lower than previous candle and high more than previous candle.
Hmm.
So this is completely outside the range of previous candle. So inside candle means within range of previous candle, outside candle means outside range of previous candle on both sides.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so previous candle closed at bottom. From that, will price go to bottom first or will price go to top first when next day's close is at top? 8 April candle close, where is it?
324.
So is it near top or near bottom?
Near top.
Near top. So will price go to bottom first on this day and come back and close at top, or will it go to top, then go to bottom and then again come back and close at top?
Anything can happen, sir.
Most of the times, usually, Somen sir, can you mute yourself?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, I will give you chance.
Okay.
So from here, what will happen? Will it go to bottom first or will it go to top first? Usually what happens is, if previous candles closes at bottom, it comes lower, then goes higher and closes at top.
Is it mandatory, sir?
Ma'am, 90% times this happens. If you
Okay.
check intraday price action on that day, you will be able to see. Most of the time it happens like that. If previous day's candle closes at bottom, it is easier for prices to move lower and then go higher if price wants to go higher. So we have to mark it like that. So take your path and mark it like that. Yes, Somen sir, what is your question?
Sir, my question is, sir, can you explain again the inside candle and outside candle?
Yes, I will explain. So inside candle means the range of this candle. Range is high and low. That is total range. So range of the candle, which is inside candle, should be completely within previous candle's range. So previous candle's high, like here 8 April candle, it is outside candle with respect to previous candle. And next candle, 11th April candle, next to 8 April candle is inside candle because high of this candle is less than high of previous candle and low of this candle is higher than previous candle. Ma'am, can you mark two short horizontal lines? Press escape. Yeah, take horizontal trend line tool. Now click this tab below magnet tool, that is drawing mode below magnet tool. So now you don't have to select this tool two times. Okay, from this bottom, you click there, go to right. Yeah, short line is fine, ma'am, no problem. And from top of same candle, yes, go right, yes, and click on next candle also. Okay, first we'll discuss this. So here what we can see, we have marked high and low. Next candle has crossed high and has crossed low. So on both sides, next candle has crossed. That is outside candle. Now if we check for next candle on 8 April candle, ma'am, please mark high of that candle. 8 April candle, go to right, shift, yeah, and bottom of that candle, right, yes. So here what we can see, next candle is completely inside this range. So if next candle is completely within the range, then that next candle is inside candle. Okay, Somen sir, any doubt now?
No, sir, now clear.
Okay. So ma'am, you can mark your low, next day's low using path. Shilpa ma'am. Shilpa ma'am, are you there? Okay, anyone else wants to share their chart now? Do we have any volunteer? Bhalchandra, you want to share?
Yes, I want to share.
Just a minute. Okay, you can share now.
Okay.
Amish sir, would you like to share next? Bhalchandra, you can remove your watch list by clicking on watch list below that publish icon. Yes. From left side, you can remove all drawings. Below magnet, below that, click on that. Below the lock, yeah, click there, delete all. Okay. You can press left arrow if you want to go further left. Yes. Go slightly left and then start. 3-4 candles maybe. Yes, from here we can start. From start of the chart. This first, yeah, that candle. So consider that candle as a swing high and start from there. Use path. You can mark it as a favorite tool. Go to path again. Up. Yeah, click on side button. Here you can see star. Click on star. So if you click on star, that will appear as a panel. Drag it to bottom. You can add your favorite tools. No, not there. If you see at top of your screen in center, yes, below that, yeah, just left to it, yes, hold and drag it down at bottom, bring it at bottom, further down, bring it down, further down, yes, there. So you can keep your favorite tools there and select from that place. Now your path is selected, you can start marking. That is stop, start. This candle is low. Okay, is this inside candle, outside candle? What is it? So previous candles close you are checking, but the low which you have marked is the lowest candle. So we don't have to worry about previous candle. Is this inside candle or outside candle? Or normal candle? Double click there. Press escape. Okay. Now you can see what is it? Is it inside candle or outside candle or normal candle? You can take 2 horizontal trend lines. If you have any doubt, you can take horizontal trend line. Just click there. Press shift. Yes. Press shift and click. Shift, press shift. Press shift and escape. Press escape. Escape. No, don't click so many times. Press escape. Press escape once. And go to press escape. Bhalchandra, press escape. Go to left. Bhalchandra, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me, Bhalchandra? Is my voice audible for all?
Audible, sir.
Bhalchandra, are you
Audible.
able to hear me? I think he's not able to hear me. Okay, now go to right, press shift button, hold shift, yes, hold, keep holding and click, yes. Now press escape. Okay, now can you see this candle's high and low, it is crossed on both sides from by next candle, so that candle is outside candle. Okay, yes, 24 December candle is outside candle. So click on top of that using path tool. First select path, you can select from bottom panel, yes, select, yeah, click there and start marking. Click on path only once, it is selected, go to that candle, press click once, yeah, now bottom. Now go to next point. So is this candle making new high? Next candle. Okay, next candle, is it making new high before breaking low? Yeah, this is also high. So next candle, is it making new high? Yes. And is it making new low? So is it inside candle or outside candle? So it is outside candle. Now close of previous candle, is it at top or bottom? Right side, that small right side dash, that is closing price. Yeah, so it is at top. And next candle's close, is it at top or bottom? Outside candle's close, is it at top or bottom? At bottom. So come to candle prior to that. Next one. Yeah, mark a high on that candle. Okay, from here, what will happen first? Will it make new high first or will it make new low first? As the price has closed at top, it will go to new high first. Click there, select that point, click there, come down. Now price made new low, closed at bottom, come down. Yes, there, yes. Okay, that made low, it was outside candle, closed at bottom, but again, next day it started moving up, right? Yeah, so it went up, and went up till that point, previous candle. Okay, is it making new high? Is it making new low? No, it is not making new low. So click at top of this candle. Now where is close for this candle? Is it at top or bottom? It is at bottom. So next day candle, is it inside candle or outside candle? Next is outside candle. So what is more possible? Will it make new high first or will it make new low first? New low first. So we'll mark this as a new swing low. Okay, then it will move higher. Okay, so next candle, is it making new low? Is it making new high? So it is inside candle. So yeah, this will be new low without making new high. Next candles are making high up to this. So this candle which you have selected, is it outside candle or inside candle? Outside candle. Will it make high first or low first? But where is the close for this candle? At bottom. So it is more likely to make high first and then come down because it has closed at bottom. So usually what happens, it goes higher and then comes down, and it is near all time, means on this chart it is at near top, so it is likely to go higher, trap the buyers first and then come down. Okay, so it is at top. Now it is making new low, new low is made, again new low is made, and this is making another low. So this will be our new swing low point, and next candle has crossed high. So up to next next three candles, it is making new high. Yes. Okay, again, is this candle gap down or normal candle? Next candle, yes, this one gap down. Are you sure? Yes, so that candle is gap down with some space. So if we keep now do one thing, click at bottom of this candle. Yes, double click there. Now make the chart as normal candle chart. Press escape, go to top, make it as normal candle chart. So here if you see, will you be able to identify it as a gap down candle using this chart? We have to take efforts. We don't see any gap because there is candle on left, body is seen, next candle's body is within body of previous candle, so we are less likely to see that gap. We are more likely to miss this gap. Okay, so make it same chart, bar chart. Press escape, yeah, bar chart. Now mark next low, yeah, from click here. Next candle, is it inside or outside? Select previous candle slow, press just once. Yeah, click once. Now go to right. Okay, so these two candles are inside candles. Next candle is making new low. Go to right, go to right, go to right. This is making new low. What is happening to next candle? Is it inside candle or outside candle or normal candle? Yes. So this will be low because this candle is inside, but next candle has crossed high. So we can mark swing high point. That will be swing high. Now, yes. That candle looks like an outside candle. Come back. Yes. So this is looking like an outside candle if we check just candles. But what we have to see here, come to previous candle and mark high for that candle. Mark high for that candle. So this will not be high because it is a gap down candle. We have to take closing price, right? Previous candle's close price. Make a short horizontal line on previous candle close. Press escape. Select trend line tool. Close, yes. Shift. Yes. Click. Shift, click, yes. Escape. Now this candle, which looks like an outside candle, has not crossed high or closing price of previous candle. So it will not be outside candle. It is just normal candle making new low. Okay. So that is the place where many people exit their short positions, thinking that trend has changed. That's why we need to know this, that this is not a stop loss place, this is stop hunting place. Now mark new swing low. From top of that candle. Yeah, go to new swing low. Yes. Okay, Nitin sir, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
High, click there, then next. Yeah, click there. So where is high for this candle? Yes, this candle is high. Yeah, where will it be? What is level? Bring cursor on previous candle. Yes, there we can see. You have to remove that. Press escape. Okay, now bring cursor on left candle. Yes, you can see it is 357.1 closing price at top. 357.1. Come on right side. On right side. More. Yes, it is high is 356.7. So it is slightly lower. That means it has not crossed high of this candle. So mark short horizontal line there. Mark short horizontal. Press shift. Yes. So this candle has not crossed high. That's why we will not mark it as a swing point. Press escape. Select your, yeah. Yes, that will be low. And this candle is actually making new high. So till this time, all candles are inside candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles are inside candles. Now, is this candle crossing low of high candle? This is inside candle. Next candle, yes. Making low, yes, because it is going below close of previous candle. Where will be close of previous candle? Swing high candle. There is a gap. There is a gap. See the candle which is making the candle which is inside candle, we have to ignore that candle. Okay, so we have to go to candle prior to that. Yes, this one. For this candle which will be low. Yes, because there is a gap between closing price. So there is gap up. That's why it will be low. This point will be low, and the low which you have marked is crossing below this. So it will become valid low. Okay, then mark that low and go up. Is this making new high? Yes. Okay. Where will be low for this candle? For this candle, where is low? This one. Is next candle crossing below this? It is not outside candle because it is not crossing the low of the gap close. Yes, it is not inside candle. It is just a normal candle. It is, yeah, it is crossing high, but closing at bottom, not crossing below previous candle's close. Okay. So next day prices moved higher and higher, higher and higher. Next candle, yeah. So this will become our new swing high point. Now, yes, now this made new low. When this low will be established, in which candle we can say, we can say that this is a swing low. In which candle will you say that? This candle, because this candle is crossing high of previous candle. Two candles are inside candles. This candle went above, so that will become our swing point, swing low point. Then it continued moving higher, higher, yes, up to that point. Then it made a swing high, came down, okay, come down, come down. So this will be our new swing low and new swing high, okay. And this candle is breaking swing low. Next, gap down and bottom closing candle, yes. So this candle is breaking swing low, it is going below previous swing low, okay, and it continued to fall. So is this point a swing low? Yes. We have to check closing high of this candle. Yes, that will be high, 372.85. So that high is not crossed. So we make new low again. Yes, up to that level. So that is our new low. Is this valid swing low? Click there. Yes, because next candle has crossed high of this candle, so it will become valid swing low. And next, where is our swing high? Yes, that will be swing high. Okay, so is it clear now how to mark? Press escape. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that is outside candle on 18 January. Yes. Yes. Yes, that will be swing high. So I said that if previous candle closes at bottom, there are more chances that it will make low first and then go to high. But we have to see close of next candle. Here, previous candle has closed at bottom, but next candle's close is also at bottom and price has gone above this candle's high. So outside candle, no, at top. Yes. So here, previous candle of 17 January, it has closed at bottom, but this price is at near top, and from here it is more likely to go higher above previous day's high because buyers are in control. They are going higher, and then they lost control. They came down and price closed at bottom. If close is at bottom, then what happens? Usually early in the day, prices go up and then come down to close at bottom. This happens commonly, but it is not a rule. So 90% of the times, when close is at the bottom, price is more likely to go higher early in the day and come down later in the day. If it is very highly volatile, only then it will make a low first, then go higher, and then again come down and close low. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Praveen sir, would you like to share your screen? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Praveen sir? Amish sir? Okay, if anyone wants to share the chart, please raise your hand, or else we can take the session next time. Okay, I'll end the session now. I'll end the session now. I'll end the session now. Okay, I will end the session here, and we can go ahead with chart sharing next time. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
are you sharing? Just a minute. Hello, Darshana.
हा मी ओपन केलंय, शेअर करत आहे.
Okay, okay.
प्रशांत शेअर स्क्रीन नाही येते माझ्या याच्यावर.
Safari
हा,
or Google
Safari.
Chrome? You have to use Google Chrome. In
अच्छा.
Safari, it will not work.
अच्छा, मग मला ना दुसऱ्या कॉम्प्युटरवरनं करावं लागेल लॉग इन. तुला ते अलाउड करावं लागेल याच्यावरनं
Yes,
नाही.
yes, no problem.
किंवा ना आपण ना तू ते शेअर कर जून
Okay, let me know dates.
रिलायन्स जून 2021.
Reliance. Okay, we'll go to June. Okay.
हा, इथपासनं हे जे सगळ्यात म्हणजे स्विंग लो आहे ना.
Huh. Some people will not understand Marathi, so
sorry.
I think Hindi
Uh,
or English.
Swing this June 2021 's first swing low.
This one.
Yes, from this one. Yes.
Okay.
25 May. Yes.
So this is lower than this. This is our possible swing low. When will this become a swing low? Just a minute. So this point we are going to mark as a swing low. What is the level for this? This is at 1960.
Yes.
Then this is low is 1962.25. So this is higher. Okay. This is horizontal line. This candle is higher. When can we see? When can we say that this is a swing low? We have to check high of this candle. So as soon as price crosses this high, this will be a swing low, right? So once price goes above this level, we will call that swing low is established. Now this is making new high. Should I mark this as a swing high?
We can mark further because there are more swing high. Yes.
This one. So what we have to do is we have to see which is candle which is higher. This is higher. Now next candle, is it crossing above or crossing below? This is crossing above without going below. So
Yes.
we have to shift to next candle. Is this candle is next candle going higher?
Yes.
Yes, it is going. Is it going lower below this? It is not.
Not.
So we are going to shift to next candle.
Yes.
Then again to next candle. So this
Yes.
candle has not crossed below this. This will be our new high. Now again we have to shift to next candle.
Yes.
So here we can see that next candle is below this. So we can mark this as a swing high.
Swing high. Yes.
Okay. Now is this a swing low?
So that's the confusion. Ki these.
So you have a confusion whether this is a swing low or not.
Yes.
We have to check what is the closing level. 2184.25. Next candle, where is closing level? 2185. Which candle is lower?
Sorry. Repeat, Prashant. I didn't get it.
See, I have marked two lows. This is, so first I will close my path here. If we double click, path will be closed. Now this is a candle on left side and I will change the color to black. Now on right side, we can see black color is 2184.25. That is low of this candle, 4th June candle, right?
Yes.
So I have marked vertical line on 4th June. Now this is 7th June candle. Low for 7th June candle is 21.85. Which candle is lower?
84.
2184.25. So this is lower candle. So we have to check next candle whether it is going lower or higher above this level. This
So,
candle is higher than this.
sorry to interrupt you. My
Yes.
question is, these are not inside candles because we established first low at the level of 1960. So these are not inside candle is in respect to this 1960.
No, inside candle means we have to check within range of that candle. So inside candles are these two,
Okay.
26 May and 27 May. Both of these are inside candles. These are within top, high and low of this candle, 25th May candle. So these two are inside candle. Here, if any candle comes in between this candle, high and low, before going above this or before going below this, if any number of candles are here, those all will be inside candles. But there is no inside candle here. This is also not inside candle, and this is not called as outside candle.
Okay.
Outside candle means when a candle has high and low more than previous candles high and low.
Okay. So for this swing low, we didn't consider कि previous swing low was on which number or on which price. We just decided on that train that it is swing low because it is low because of previous previous left candles are above it. That's why it's a swing low.
Because we are starting chart from here.
Okay.
So because we are starting chart from here, this is our swing low and it is below this candle low. That's why we are taking it. But suppose on left side there is a big candle where top is here and bottom is here, then it will become inside candle.
Okay. No confusion with these candles. I have lot of confusion with these above candles.
Yeah, no problem. We'll go here. So this is our swing high because this low was crossed. So we will mark this as a swing low only when this high is crossed by next candle. Right?
Okay. Okay. So this is a valid swing low, which I missed.
Yes. So what I suggest is we should go marking like this. Suppose this is high, now this is low. So is this candle crossing below this? No, it is not crossing below this.
Crossing, yes.
Is it crossing above this? It is not crossing above this. So we have to ignore both of these candles. Then we have to go to next candle. Now see, this candle has crossed high of this candle. So we will mark here. Is any candle crossing below this? No. So this is not a valid high. This will be new high. Is any candle going below this candle? No. So this is not a valid high. We go to next candle. Is this a valid high? We'll check low for this candle. No candle is going below this. And next candle is going higher without going below. So we'll check this. This next candle is again higher, not going above. Now this is high. Next candle, there is no new high, but low is broken. So once this low is broken, we have to shift our point here. So this will become a valid swing high.
This is swing high and this is swing low. Yes.
No, this is not swing low yet. We are just shifting our marker.
Okay.
So this is not a valid swing low till now. And we will check whether this high is broken. This high is broken with this candle without breaking low. So low was not broken here. High is broken. This will become our next candle of importance. Is next candle going higher? No. Is next candle going lower? No. So this is inside candle. We have to ignore this candle. This candle does not exist for us. Now, to avoid any kind of confusion, mark horizontal line here at top and at bottom because there is inside candle. Sometimes what may happen, there may be a candle which is outside candle based on this inside candle and it will cause confusion. So better mark horizontal lines here and we go to next level only when this high or this low is broken.
Okay.
So this is a swing high. It may go higher also, but now this black line low is broken here. So we mark this point, and after this what has happened?
That higher candle is, so this is valid.
So we have to check high for this candle. Is it a gap down candle? No, it is not a gap down candle because it is higher than close. So this is normal candle and next candle has broken high of this candle. So we mark high of this candle and check for low of this candle. Is this low broken here? No, it is not broken. Is this high broken here? It is
No.
not broken. So is it an inside candle? Next candle?
Inside. Yes, yes,
Yes,
inside
it is
candle.
an inside candle.
Hmm.
We have to press shift while marking. Click, shift, mark. Click, shift, click. Okay. So this has crossed higher. Means this is not a valid swing low. This is not a valid swing high. We are making new high. And
Okay.
again, new high.
Yes,
So
yes.
we are making high here.
Mhm.
Now, is this candle's low broken by next candle? Yes.
Yes.
So we'll have to shift here. Is this candle's high broken by next candle?
No.
No. Is this candle's low broken by next candle?
Yes, yes.
So we'll
yes.
shift to this point. Is
Yes.
this valid swing low?
Yes, by
We have
some-
not checked till now. First we'll check. This is low for this candle. This
Hmm.
is high for this candle.
Hmm.
So it looks like there is double top. See 2235, 2235 high on both candles. So it is kind of inside candle. So
Okay.
next day swing low is not established.
Mhm.
Price may fall from here or it may go higher.
Mhm.
So we are not marking any new point after this point. This or this point will not be marked.
Mhm.
And next what is happening? It is moving higher. So
Higher.
our higher high is marked here. Now is it next candle going higher or lower?
Higher to the previous one.
Yes, higher to previous one. So this is high. Is this swing high?
Yes, this
Have
is
we established swing high?
not till now not established.
Yes,
When the
not
next
now
candle-
till now not established. On
Hmm.
next day, what is happening? Is
Hmm.
price crossing high of this candle?
No.
No. Is price crossing low of this candle?
Crossing low. Yes, crossing low.
2219 is crossed. So we will shift our cursor here. We'll
Hmm.
mark this point. Is this swing high established?
Yes.
Yes. So this swing high is established. Is this intermediate swing high or short term?
This is short term.
This is short term. Is this short term or intermediate?
This is high. Pantonis. I add. This is intermediate.
This is short term. My cursor is on left.
Okay. Okay. So we are not considering right side or a swing high.
So this is higher than this.
Oh, sorry. That should be the higher and middle two are lower. Yes. This is
Yes.
short term. Got it.
So this is intermediate term swing
Mhm.
high,
Mhm.
because there are two
Swing high
highs
is lower than it.
below this. So this
Yes.
will become intermediate term swing high.
Yes.
Now, when this candle breaks low of previous day candle,
Oh,
there are two things. We are establishing short term swing high. We are
yes.
establishing intermediate term swing high.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, next candle, it's going lower and lower.
Yes.
Now here there is confusion. So what should we do? We
Hmm.
should see what is the level.
Levels.
2081 is low for this candle, 2081.81, and this is lower by 10 paise, 2081. So next candle is even lower. So this will become our lower candle.
Okay.
Now next candle, whether is it lower or higher? It is at 2084, so slightly higher. Now this is our lower candle, so we have to mark horizontal line here and horizontal line here.
Hmm.
These three are inside candles, so
Okay.
we have to ignore these candles.
Okay.
And this candle is establishing our swing low.
Swing low. Yes.
So after 3 days our swing low will be established. So
Yes.
this is new swing high,
Hmm.
swing low. Then we are moving higher and higher.
Hmm.
And then here we are establishing our swing low once price crosses below this low and this close,
This close. Yes.
because there is gap.
Gap up.
So always we have to check for this area, whether
Yeah.
it is gap up or
Gap down.
no. Okay. And then this is moving lower without crossing above, moving lower without crossing above, moving lower without crossing above, moving lower and crossing above. So
Yes.
it has moved lower, but next candle is crossing higher. So we'll take this as low point. swing low is established here.
Establish. Yes.
So
Yes.
initially we can mark on every candle like this,
Uh-huh.
and later on we can just bring cursor like this to bottom or top of every candle, check
Mhm.
what is happening, and then take a point. Now this low is established. What is happening in next candle? Next candle is higher. After that there may be a confusion. So high is 2101.5
Mhm.
and 2103. So
Yes.
it is higher. Then again
Yes.
higher candle. So we can mark
Mhm.
this is a swing low, higher, higher, higher. This is a
High.
swing high.
Yes.
This candle is outside candle because it is crossing
Uh,
high of this candle and close of candle prior to this. This is a gap candle.
mhm.
Okay, so it is crossing up, so this is not inside candle, as it is crossing higher than this. We have to consider this close, price has came below this close, so this is lower and still lower.
Mm.
Now this is swing low. Next candle, where is it? It is higher and crossing above, so
Mm.
we are going higher and higher here. Then we are coming lower here, then higher and higher,
Yes. Yes.
then lower, lower,
Low-
lower.
Lower. Mm.
Then this is a gap candle because close is here and low is here.
Yes. Yes.
So once we go by candle, it will be easier to identify any gaps also. We have to see with respect to previous candle, where is the high. We should not hurry that this is low, this is high, this is low, this is high, what is visible. That way it is not means uh, we'll miss many swing points,
Yes.
we'll
Yes.
miss
I miss.
many
I
gaps.
miss many. Yes.
Yes. So
Got
we
it.
have to check by candle. Here we can see, if we see, we'll mark by like this, and if candle crosses below this, we'll mark it. But here we'll miss the gap. So we check here what is happening. Next candle is crossing above this high. This is not a gap candle. Now this candle is crossing below this, but this is a gap candle. So we have to check for this close also.
Close. Yes.
Yes. So this is crossing below this. We'll mark here. Whenever there is any confusion, what we have to do? Mark candle for that. Mark high and low for that
Or
candle.
yes.
So for
Horizontal.
this candle, we'll mark this high and this low. This way it will become easier. So
Easy.
with practice, we will not need to mark these points like this, and we'll be able to identify swing highs and swing lows and mark the things. Now here we can see this is a level. Here we are making new high, new high, new high, because lows are not broken. We can easily see that this is
Yes.
new high. Now this is crossing low and close. So new low, then
Yes.
new high without low, new high, new high, new high.
Yes.
Now next candle is below this high.
Mm.
So next candle is below this high. We have to mark high for this candle
Mhm.
and low for this candle. This is close, which is higher, so it's not a gap candle, and we are not making any new low here. After this, what will happen? This is high, but high will keep going higher. This is continuation. Without crossing this high is not broken, so this is inside candle. This is going higher, higher, higher.
High. Yes.
So again higher, higher, higher. So this is very solid one-way upside move,
Yes.
and identification of this will be very helpful. We can keep trailing stop loss based on single candles low, and that is one method which we are going to learn. But for that method to work, we must understand how the swings form, how they keep moving in one direction.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Prashant. Thank you. Thank you. Prashant, one
Sir.
more thing.
Yes. Yes.
I just want to ask, when you drag this, ray, this icon, so you have to drag every time, or is just continuous thing? Because I have to drag every time. I don't
This
know why.
path.
Yes, path.
So mark, click, then bring cursor down. We don't have to drag.
We don't have to drag now.
No. Then click and just
Drag.
yeah, means just slide your mouse. You don't have to press left click and drag.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Continue to drag.
in this, sir, two candle before the last one. There's a outside candle. So
Yeah. So we have not discussed, means we have not gone to that candle by candle. So So here we are making new high, here new high, here new high. This is inside candle. Now new high without crossing low. This is low. Then again new high without crossing low. Then again new high, and this is the low. Now if this is a low for this candle, is this candle crossing this low?
Yes, yes.
Yes, it is crossing this low. This is outside candle. We'll mark this as a low and this as a high on this chart. So if we just visually go, then we may miss this point. But if we go one by one, candle by candle, then we will not miss this point. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 28th July.
Which chart?
This same chart, sir. Same chart.
Same chart.
28th July.
28 July. Here.
Yeah. Yeah, 28. Yeah. After that, the swing high is established.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Then the swing low. So let's say the close of that candle is within the range of the previous day's close. Then will we consider it as a swing low? Because the low
Yeah.
is different and the close is different.
Yes, yes. So that is very good question. Right now, what we are discussing is discussing highs and lows based on actual high and low of that candle.
Yes, sir.
So this high and this low, it is a wick.
Okay.
These are called as wicks. Here we will
Yes,
not
sir.
be able to see wicks. Here we'll be
Yes,
able
sir.
to see only high, low, and close. And closing price is very important. So this we are discussing with respect to highest point of candle. Now next
Okay.
method which we are going to discuss will be based upon closing point.
Okay,
So,
sir. So in this scenario, the closing price doesn't matter. So the lowest candle is closing below the previous day's candle. So we consider it as swing low.
yes. So with
Okay.
this current method which we are discussing, we have to consider it as a swing low.
Okay, sir. Noted. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So here we can see this is crossing previous swing high, but it is not closing above previous swing high. So what is significance of closing above previous swing high and all those things, we are going to discuss them.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, Prashant.
Yes.
In the last outside candle, we have marked the low.
Last outside candle here.
Yeah, that candle.
Yes. Yes.
But we haven't marked the swing high because it's the higher point than the previous candle. So we should directly go to the outside candle and the mark same swing high and swing low on the same candle.
No, I will show you again. Here what has happened. This is high, this is low. All these candles are inside candles.
Right.
You can start from here. So all these are inside candles. We'll ignore them. Then this is swing high. No, it is not swing high because low is not broken, but this is next high.
Right.
This is next high. Then
Right.
inside candle. So we ignore. This is next high again. Candles are making new high without breaking low. This is again new high. Low is not broken. So it is not a swing high. This is high. Now this high as formed closes near bottom of this candle. And next day what has happened, price has gone below this close. So this is a candle which has crossed previous day's high, but there is a gap. So we'll see this closing price. This closing price is crossed below. This is bottom close. So it is highly likely that from here it went lower.
Okay, first.
And then it went higher.
Okay,
So
right,
this
right.
is valid swing high. This is valid swing low.
Okay,
And then it continued going higher.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Archana ma'am, are you ready with sharing your chart, or you want me to share the chart? Ma'am, you are not audible.
Sir, kindly you share the charts. The Asian paint I was looking for the.
Sure, sure. I will share the chart. Asian paint. Now tell me date. Ma'am, can you tell me date?
It's from July. 21.
July
21.
2021. Ma'am, July 2021.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So here we are in July 2021. From which date do you want?
From July. Was July.
So here is 28th June, 29 June. We can start from this level, 22nd June, or we'll start from start of this chart. We'll consider this as a low point. Okay. Now, is this a swing high established?
No, sir.
Is this a swing high established?
No.
Is this a swing high established?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here we have to see, we can see that next candle is going below this close, below this low. So next candle is outside candle.
Right, sir.
I'll zoom it a little bit more. Whenever there is outside candle, when we can see a candle has high higher than previous candle and low lower than previous candle, it will become an outside candle. For this, we can mark horizontal lines. Now we have two horizontal lines and we can see there is low broken, high broken. Now after that, what has happened? Has price gone down or up? The top closes at top.
Yes.
So it is likely that it has moved like this and went up and up. But whatever it may be, it may have gone like this also. That price might have gone higher first, then came lower, then closed at top and went higher. So in that case, it will become a swing like this. This will become swing high, this will become swing low, and then again new high. So either this will be a swing high or this will be a swing high, but this will definitely be a swing low. So it will become a short-term swing low. There is no confusion about this because it is crossing below this level and then next candle is crossing higher. So this will become a swing low and this will become, this is an outside candle. So this is a special scenario. In outside candle, either there will be a swing high or a swing low. Okay.
So, sir, in this candle, we will not require to have a candle on left side above its closing.
So we are considering this as a outside. This is an outside candle.
Yes,
So
yes.
left, this high should not be, it is not essential to get
Okay.
broken. This will work as two candles.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Next, what has happened from this high? Is this valid swing high on 31st May?
Yes, it's a high swing high.
Yes, because low is crossed on bottom. Then again, we move to lower side. Now, is this a valid swing low?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because this high is crossed and this close is crossed. So
Yes.
once
So
this
we have
candle
to consider both the things, the high also and the close also. We have to see whether the candle is crossing the high and the close of the previous candle.
So
or only the high we will see.
For 2nd June, we have to check high, and for previous candle 1st June, we have to check close because there may be a gap.
Close we will see, not the lower where it has been low one. We will see the closed data or the low, the last candle's low.
Close of 1st June.
Close of 1st June. Okay.
Close of 1st June and high of 2nd June. Let me see if there is some gap candle at that time. Here we can see there is a gap candle. This is close and this is low. So this swing high will be established only when this close is crossed. So this is low of this candle.
Right, sir.
This low, crossing this low will not establish this as a swing high, but crossing below this close, it will establish this as a swing high. And here it is not so significant, but in some charts it will be very significant. So we have to follow one method based on particular rules. So now here we are making new high. Is this
Yes.
established swing high?
Yes, sir.
Because we are crossing below this low here.
Yes.
So this will be our next candle for reference. It is below this, and this reference candle's high is crossed here. So this will become valid swing low. So now we have higher low on both sides. So this will become intermediate term swing low.
Swing low.
So that's why this high, this low is important. Understanding this low, this will make us understand this is intermediate term swing low. And we can see for very long period, this intermediate term swing low is not broken. We can see at many places, short term swing lows are broken, but this intermediate term swing low is not broken. So that is also very important. These short term swing lows, they can become points for entry, like here. So this short term swing low was broken. Now close is also important. This price is not closing below this low. So all these things we will discuss later on, but this short term swing low is broken and prices again continued higher. So this way we have to identify all swing lows and swing highs. Here we were at this point, then next high was made. Is this candle going below this low?
No, sir.
So if we have a confusion, we can draw horizontal lines. High is not crossed, low is not crossed. Other ways we can bring our cursor to that candle. We can see at top here, L means low, H
Yes.
means high.
Yes.
Here low is 2919.6. Next candle is higher, 2920. So this is not establishing any valid point. This is inside candle. So this is our next candle. This is higher and low is broken. So we have established swing high. This is lower than previous swing high. But is this a valid intermediate swing high? Which one will be intermediate swing high between these two? High is 2989.95, 2990. So almost similar. These 2 points can be considered as intermediate term swing highs. And then see this, there is big break with good strong candle. So this intermediate term swing high is broken. Short intermediate term swing low is not broken. Trend is up. Now this went up. This is, what is this, ma'am?
Inside candle.
Inside candle. What is this?
This one is the outside.
So with respect to this inside candle, it will be outside candle, but we have to ignore inside candle. We have to,
Next high. Then it will be the next high candle.
yes. So will this be a valid low for this candle?
No, sir.
Yeah. Archana ma'am, is this valid low?
Previous day close. Previous candle close will be the valid low.
Yes, previous candle close will be valid low because it is a gap. So that way we have to see. Now as long as this low is not broken, this will not become a swing high, and we can shift our point to next level. So this is next level. Low is not broken, new high is made, new high is made, low is not broken, again new high is made, again new high is made. So this is our area of confusion. Is this a inside candle or outside candle?
So the next candle. 20.
Yes,
This is the
22nd June.
outside candle, sir.
Yes, it is outside candle, and that will be area for confusion. If there is only one area, one candle, and there is reversal, it will cause confusion. But here what has happened, it went closes at top. It is more likely that prices went up and then came down and closed at bottom. So this is established swing as a swing high when this low is broken in same candle. So here swing low is swing high is established by a single candle, then prices went lower. Now what happened again? Again there is an outside candle. So this high, this low. How are we going to mark? This will become a swing low. This will be high, but next candle is higher. So this candle establishes swing low. It's and next candle is still higher. After this, there is lower candle. So
high candle.
so this will become swing high. And are we lower on this candle on 29 June? Lower than previous candle?
Yes.
Yes. So we will mark up to this. And here we have established intermediate term swing
Swing high.
swing high. So swing high intermediate, next swing high intermediate, it is higher. This is swing low. Is this swing low higher than this one or lower than this one? We will have to check it. So this one is lower.
Yes.
Now what is happening? We are moving higher, then inside candle, then moving higher. This candle's low is here on close. That is not crossed. Then we are moving again higher.
High.
This will be high.
Swing high.
And this close is crossed. So this will become low. Then this will be high. And once this low is crossed, it will become low. Again, new low up to this level. Now what is happening here? Lot of congestion, lot of sideways action. It's not trending, right? So whenever there is lot of confusion, we may means we don't have any premise, we don't have any hypothesis for this, that it is moving one way or it is moving like we'll discuss those things later on. And whenever there is confusion, what we can do, we can wait till that confusion is resolved. Some specific information is given to us. Till then we can wait and watch. We have many different stocks. We don't have to trade in one particular stock. Then this high is this new high is made.
Yes.
So this will be a swing high only when this low is crossed here. So this will be high, and we will have to ignore all these candles
Inside
till
that.
as long as this high is this high or this low is not broken. We have to ignore all price action. Once this candle is formed, we can start marking. Now this is inside candle, and then we are making new high. After this new high will be established only when this close is broken on lower side by this candle. So this will be low, this will be high, this will be low. Now there is some confusion here again. This low, is it broken? No. Next is inside candle. Is this candle's high broken here? What is it? 3001.45. 3002. So this candle is breaking above this candle's high. So based on prices crossing previous candles high or low, these are lows or highs which we are marking. Okay. Ma'am, any area of confusion here for you?
Confusion is only coming with that outside candle. The same candle is considered as a swing high and swing low. Then
Yes. So outside candle, we can mark outside candles. We'll mark all the outside candles first. So this was our first outside candle. Then this is outside candle for this, but not actually outside candle. This is outside candle. Now this is again an outside candle.
And sir, also that the previous when gap up or gap down candles are formed, then previous day's candle close we have to consider, right?
Yes.
For
So
the lower.
here there is a gap up. So we have to consider this close. So here we can see for many days this close was not crossed. This low was not crossed. But in some examples, we'll be able to see that low is crossed, but close is not crossed, and price continued moving in same direction. Why is this important? Because many times what happens is people keep stop loss on candle lows, and prices come below this low and continue again going upwards. Or if it is gap down, they go up and come down. That happens many times because people keep stop loss there. So stop loss hunting happens. We were marking outside candles. This was one outside candle. This was another outside candle. Then this is one more outside candle. Then we have outside candle. This one. This is outside candle. So sometimes what happens, like here, there is outside candle and prices continued moving higher. So this establishes a swing low and price continued moving higher. It will not be a problem because either this high or this high, that will be a swing high. So what we can do is we can consider high of this as a swing high, low of this candle as a swing low. Like this is our swing high and swing low. And then when there is a confusion like this, here there is a low, there is high, next candle, next 2-3 candles did not continue moving higher, again it came lower. But why we are marking these highs and lows, that is important. If we understand why we are marking high and low, only then we will be able to understand what is the purpose of doing this exercise. So many times what happens when there is a swing high and a swing low and price is in uptrend, it comes down to this swing high and without crossing swing low, it continues moving higher. And that is useful price action for us to take a retracement trade. When there is a confusion area, we just mark high and low, but there are too many ups and downs. We are not going to take any trading decision based on those candles. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir, it's clear, sir. I will check some other charts.
Yeah, sure. If you share some charts in group, then that confusion will go. And when we start our mentorship course from first Sunday of August, then many doubts will be resolved. But first we have to understand how to mark swing high, swing low. This is very important. And maybe in few days I will introduce new concept also of swing based on closing prices. So we'll mark only when new swing high will be marked only when price closes above that level. So that exercise will start in few days. Okay, we'll have next exercise on Tuesday. If you have any questions, please message in group.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prashant. Bye.
Bye.